Hi boys and girls, today we're going to go over how to do numbers in different forms. We have standard form or the normal version, we have written form or words, expanded form, and our drawn, say 10-way or 10 sticks form. So I have a little dice game, I've already rolled it, and we have 242 is our first number. So I'm going to write it in standard form, the normal way first. 242. Now you remember when we do expanded form, we stretch it out. So we say it 200, so we start with 200, plus 4 tens or 40, plus our ones, 2. So it's just like it says, 242. Drawn, we use our 10 sticks. We have 200s, so that means 2 boxes. 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 ones. 1, 2. And the last one is our written form. So I'm going to use a text box because it'll take a little bit longer to write it out. So we have 200. So again, you just follow what it says. 242. You can put in that dash. You don't have to put in that dash. I do not require it. All right, let's do one more, going over how to do all of this. Let me erase it all. Okay, let's go to our dice. Right here, I'm going to click it again. Throw. Oh, 2 ended up out of the page, sorry. We have 352. So we go back here, we write 300 in standard. 300, oops. What was it, 52? 352. Our expanded form, we just stretch that out. 300 plus 50 plus 2. Drawn, we draw 300s, 5 tens, and 2 ones. Written form, we stretch that out to 352. Now remember, in your written form, everything has to be spelled correctly. That's your review for 6-1. Thanks for watching.